Hello everyone, my name is Vang, and in this video I will explain the purpose of my tutorial on ReferenceUSA, a database provided through Fresno County Public Library. Also, I will provide details about my target audience, role as an information professional, testing plan, and implementation of this video. Purpose and audience. In my tutorial, I provided the benefits of ReferenceUSA for finding jobs by job skills, location, and industry, finding business opportunities, locating a well-known company and its available locations, tracking down addresses and phone numbers of businesses. Also, I provided examples of how to search using pre-selected search terms, showed how to save and build a list of search results for future reference. My video tutorial is intended to serve as an introductory guide for adult patrons who are looking for jobs or want to make informed business plans. Role, testing, and implementation. I am a library assistant in adult literacy services at a public library. My testing plan: to share with library colleagues and establish partnerships. My video can be adapted to different groups interested in knowing more about ReferenceUSA. As a pilot project, I plan to create a library program that explores databases available through Fresno County Public Library's website for adults. Starting with ReferenceUSA, they must have basic computer skills. There will be a questionnaire to assess their basic computer knowledge before registering for the program. The program will allow up to a total of 10 participants. It will run for 2 weeks with a total of 4 sessions and for 1 hour. 15 minutes before the session ends, I will provide a mini quiz with pre-selected search terms and ask the participants to search and save it as a list. On the last session, participants who have been present at most of the sessions and shows up on the last day will receive a certificate of completion for the specific database training. Thank you for watching. This will conclude my video tutorial on ReferenceUSA. I look forward to seeing you at the Fresno County Public Library.